Getting the correct distance between your lighting and your plant is of great importance. In the traditional past, when we used our screw-in bulb technology, like this standard old 1000-watt HPS, we would typically end up at a maximum closeness of about 18 inches. We might start off more like 24 or 30 inches away, but ultimately that 18-inch mark was really the sweet spot, the closest that we're able to achieve without starting to potentially see some sort of damage from the lights being too close to the plants. Fluorescent lighting should be quite a bit closer to the plants in general. And then a new topic for great importance really is the double-ended lighting. This lighting, whether it's a Next LP by PL Lighting or a Gavita 750 or Gavita 1000, requires a little more interaction. What we're looking to do with this lighting is to put the plants in about 5 feet away, 60 inches away. And we're going to dim down the lighting to about 50%. This way we're going to have a nice and gentle acclimation into the intense arena of a DE-lit garden for flowering purposes. In the next 2 weeks of the flowering process, obviously the plants will put on quite a bit of vertical height. So we're gonna start them off 5 feet away, and we're gonna allow them to grow up another 2 feet into a maximum closeness of 3 feet away. During that period, we're going to slowly raise the intensity of the lighting and peak out at 100% at maybe week 3 of the flowering process. We can stay at that 100% level until we're about 3 weeks away from harvest, at which time we would start reducing the intensity of the lighting because the metabolism of the plant is starting to slow down and it's not necessarily going to reproduce, it's not going to use all of that light energy that's being hammered on it. So it makes sense to just start backing off, lowering the light intensity, not wasting power and beating the plant down with light it's not using. So this is really important when you're using the double-ended light kits. You really need a ceiling of 9 to 10 feet so you can put your plants in 5 feet away and allow them to grow into 3 feet away while you adjust the intensity of your ballast and give that nice, perfect environment to your plants.